años y felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrating today. But me don't tell you, say Fancy Cat come and deliver the gifts. Oh, sorry, I mean Black Santa. I know it's Fancy Cat. When I take off that outfit, I bet you it's Santa Cat. But he is not Burger Man. Or what next one? Sky Juice. I know Sky Juice. Anyway, it's been a really cool and fun morning here today, my people. And we are going to get right into a game. So here's how the game goes, right? Them have on the reindeer hat, antlers, and they're going to take an elastic band, and each one is going to throw it on the antlers, on the other person's antlers. Who will be the winner? The father, or will it be the son? Neville or Extol? This is a holiday game for us on a December 25th morning. So let's get the show started, and I will be counting to see who wins. So each one, no, you have to throw it.
Yeah, that's what I just.
No, keep your distance. One here and one here.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not allowed to pass the imaginary line 1, line 2. Okay? Yeah, go. Your time starts now.
What to
Throw it on his
flip it, do
antlers.
what?
Anyhow you want. Oh, God. Oh, that was close. And Dwayne gets 3, 4 tries. Your time now, Neville Bell. Go on, go on, go on. And whoa, good try. Throwing many at once. Yes. No, you're soon done.
You know,
Ready.
Yeah, where it's coming to.
I know. Just because that's your job, it ain't mine. I'm trying, okay? Give me a chance. All righty. Neville Bell gets 2.
Come on.
All righty.
What must we get?
The time is not up yet. The time is not up. Go on, Dwayne. Your time.
Hey,
Use
you
it.
move your head. You move your head.
You are my son.
There were no rules that
Wait,
said
no.
you
Move him
could
head.
don't
Wait,
move
no.
yours before it
You
fall
are
off.
talking to your father. Don't shout at me. Apologize, please.
Coming out of
Sorry,
this.
sir.
Okay.
This is what happens on a family day. No, Dwayne, you do what he did.
No,
Throw-
but he might move him head. Watch it.
Never. Put your head back.
No,
and be
don't
fair.
move him head.
Oh, sorry.
Make it chop off.
I'm coming out.
Wait.
Oh, don't see that. You move again.
Never do not.
Look that, sir. Look that, sir.
Look where.
Round that, sir.
Look where. Where I must look. Round here. Where you want me to look?
Go back.
Ready.
No, come on, let's go.
That's one,
So
that's
Dwayne
one.
has what? Dwayne, Neville
have
has.
one. 2. No, but
Don't
that tree
move.
me gone, you know.
Ooh, the man shake your head.
I mean, I shit.
Well,
me-
seems
me-
like
me-
Oh, see,
me-
next
me-
one.
me-
Seems
me-
like
That one
Neville
can't
has
come on.
Neville has none on
That one
his.
can't
Me
come
feel
on.
like me have a
That
quick
one
neck.
can't come on.
Neville.
Me have a quick neck. One. Oh, wait though. Wait though. What? Hold on. Me know what to mean. Kinda.
I'll show you how me skillful now.
You know, you're going to find somewhere to live, boy, yeah? Stand up.
All right, game done. Let's count them now. Let's count them.
Wait,
Neville,
wait.
you have none on Dwayne's.
Oh,
And
my.
look at how many Dwayne has on yours. So we will declare Dwayne Extol, the son, the fitter athlete on this December
man.
25th
Yeah, man.
competition. You're the winner.
Yeah.
It's okay. Well, Jamaica, it's a new year, and you know, as we close out 20, close out. Any in my hair? I'm not a part of this game. You know, Neville, you have to learn to lose better. You're a very sore loser, and as a coach outside of this television stage, I know you teach your athletes to be winners, whether they win or lose. So I'm asking you, in 2020, just stop being such a sore loser, okay? No, don't mess up my hair. Don't mess up my hair. Congrats to Dwayne, everybody. He wins nothing for this
So we're not
competition.
gonna food today?
There's nothing to win.